Your Road to Well-Being, Chapter 1, The Power of Gratitude. What if happiness isn't something you need to chase, but something you can create with every action, thought and choice? In this chapter, we delve into the transformative power of gratitude, a simple practice that has the potential to reshape your entire outlook on life. Learn how shifting your focus from what's missing to what's already here can invite more joy, peace and abundance into your world. Gratitude isn't just about saying thank you. It's a mindset that can rewire your brain for lasting happiness. Discover the science behind it and explore practical ways to make gratitude a part of your everyday routine, even on those difficult days. Ready to start your journey to a happier life? Join my online community to read the full chapter and more.